Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Hello Bonsai for beginners. So when you sign up, you will be directed here on dashboard. Here you can add your company details, invite your team, create a project, create a task, and add the time entry. Just follow these steps. Then next, you can see here your project timeline, profit and loss, time track, and mga and other tasks. Next is on client management. Here you can manage your client. Here on clients, for example, you have a sample client. When you click on it, you will see its recent projects, notes, details, and addresses. To add a new client, simply click on this new client button and add the details here on the blank spaces. Next is the contacts. It's also the same with contacts. You can add a new contact by clicking this button. Next is the proposals. You can add here your proposal and e-approvals. Next, contracts. You can add here your contracts with your client. Next one is forms. Here on forms, you can create a forms and surveys for everything from your contract form and a project and survey. Next is scheduling. You can add your calendar here or your schedule. Next is the services. In Service Library, services can be used to quickly create new proposal and invoices as well as power more automation. Next is Client Portal. Here you can connect with your clients. Client Portal Upgrade, Portal Access, and Client Header Image. Next is the Project Management. Here you can simply add your project and organize your project by clicking on Create a Project. Next is tasks. You can input here your tasks for the day, for the week that you want. Simply click on this add a task and you're good to go. Next is time tracking. You can track the time of your work and add notes. Next is timesheets. Here you can manage your team's timesheets. You can track your team's hours while doing their projects. Next is the resourcing. Here you can allocate team members across current and upcoming projects, distribute work evenly and avoid double looking and over allocating. Here you can gain insight into your team's availability and time off. Next is financial management. Here you can add your invoice, send invoices, and accept online payments. Simply click on create an invoice. Next is the income. Here you can manage income from any source. You can also see your profit and loss. Next is the expenses. You can track your expenses here, add them to invoice, and get reimbursed by your client. Lastly is the bookkeeping. Here you can see your profit and loss, expenses, and financial reports. So that's basically it.